Forget about boring static slides. Make animated slides. First go to Format Background. Select Gradient Fill and set a color. Then go to Insert. Select the shape and size it according to your need. Now change the shape color as same as background color. And select No Outline. Double-click the shape and type S, then increase the size. Now create duplicate slides, change the background and shape color by following the same process. Finally, create a blank slide. Go to Insert, from Zoom option, select Slide Zoom. Select those slides and click Insert. Now place them in the four corner of the slide. Here is your animated SWOT analysis slides. Contact me to create custom PowerPoint slide designs that will captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression.